That was
17 to 37. I can play down to 12.
Wow.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yeah, it's the C pillar, and you went from C to B. Dude, that's a monster. How low was that? That was
17 to 37. I can play down to 12.
wow.
65.
Whoa.
615 EP6Ks
Yep.
on the 6 order on 67600s. Everything Cosmos Audio.
Cosmos Audio. So you're on Team Cosmos? Okay.
I'm technically the president of
President.
Team Cosmos.
Wow. Did you build this?
Captain.
Captain.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Wow. And you said you got a 65?
63.4.
63.4.
C pillar. Yeah,
Okay.
out of C pillar. This
Yep.
right here, I haven't got the meter.
You haven't metered yet?
Full meter yet.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
We're gonna see what it does today.
What is your tunings on
So
this?
rear chamber is 25 hertz. Front chamber is 51 hertz.
Okay. Wow. So that's how you're playing so low. That's incredible, man. Really nice work, man.
I appreciate it.
Wow, that's awesome.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for the demo. That was great. That's a night
for you to come
That's a
around.
night and day difference. And like the lows, you don't even hear the distortion in the lows. So you're just super clean and it just floats.
Right now, it's roughly around 3,000 watts per sub. It's all
It is? Okay.
So with box rides.
Yeah. Can I see the amps in the back?
Hey, Jacob. They're on all corners.
Oh!
Damn rear.
Okay. Woo. Wow. Uh-oh, sorry. Wow, that was really, really windy. So you have a total of 6 of these?
Yes, sir.
Woo. Are these at 1 ohm, half ohm, 0.3, half ohm? Okay. Nice. Awesome. High rise means you're efficient, but it sucks. Yep.
All right, I can deal with it.
Yes, sir. Yeah, thanks, man. Yes, sir. Yep.
DJ
and he went from C to B.
Man, that's a monster. How low was that? That was
17 to 37. I can play down to 12.
wow.
65.
Whoa.
This room value to chase it with I can hear the music continue to crescendo. I can see the whole fucking venue from my window. That's when you know you're schizo. As I keep peeking out the curtain from the hotel. The music is so loud, it's almost stuck out.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfViral when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.